To celebrate the fact that we just went past 200 million views on my YouTube channel, I'm unleashing one of the most effective full upper body home workouts ever. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? So, we have just gone past 200 million views here on my YouTube channel. And as always, guys, you know by now, I say it every time, we don't spend money on marketing and advertising. So I know the fact that we have this continuous growth and success because of you guys. So as always, thank you so much for your continuous support. And you know what I like to do to say thank you, and that is unleash one insane workout onto you guys. And today, I'm going to show you a way out of the box, full upper body workout to help you build a great looking upper body right there at home. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you the 3 combo exercises, and then as always afterwards I will show you the workout structure so you know exactly how to do it. But let's get started with these 3 exercises that's going to hit your full upper body. The first exercise is a chest shoulder combo, and you're going to start by doing a normal push-up, then walk yourself back up into a pike push-up, do a pike push-up, and that will be 1 rep, and then you'll move back forward, do a push-up, and then you'll come back and do a pike press. So that combination of a push-up and a pike press counts as 1 rep. Remember that when I talk about the workout structure in a second. The second exercise is going to be something that you might not have seen before, or at least not this combo, and that is a renegade row with a hammer curl combo. So you're going to start on the one side and do a renegade row, then you're going to move on to the other side and do a renegade row, and then you're going to do a hammer curl right in that plank position on the one side and then on the other side. And once you've done all 4 of those moves, that is 1 rep. And then you will start again with a renegade row on the right hand side, left hand side, hammer curl on the one side, hammer curl on the other side. And then for the final combo, we are going to hit your triceps and your abs. So we are going to do a dip. You can just use chairs like I have here. And then once you come up, you do a normal knee raise. Then you go back down, and then you do a normal knee raise again. Make sure you stay in nice control. Don't rush any of these exercises. So there you go, guys. Really simple, great exercises. But how do you combine this to actually create a workout? Well, this is where we're going to go outside of the box a little bit. You're going to start with the first combo. Remember, that's the push-up and the pike press. And you're going to do as many reps as you can until failure. Then you're going to rest 30 seconds, and then you're going to move on to the second combo, and you're going to do as many reps as you can. Remember, renegade row on the one side, other side, hammer curl, and you're going to do as many as you can once again to failure. And then you're going to rest 30 seconds and move on to the third combo, the dips plus the knee raises, and do as many as you can until failure. Rest 30 seconds, and then you start with the first combo again. And you continue doing that until you've completed 20 minutes. We have 200 million views, so we had to get it 2 in there, so 20 minutes. So guys, it is extremely tough, but extremely effective. These exercises work, this workout structure, density training also work extremely well. So as simple as that, guys. And remember, if these exercises are too hard, just use easier variations. Like if you can't do tricep dips, just do normal close grip push-ups. So make sure you customize it to your own fitness level. So there you go, guys. As always, once again, thank you for your continued support. Now the next target is hitting 300 million views. So as always, click on this like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, click on the subscribe button. You can see on the screen right now, there's more videos for you to watch on the screen. And as always, if you want to start getting ripped 100% free of charge, you can click on the button that says get ripped for free as well. Until the next one, keep it simple out there and have fun.